Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Health Advisor. Today we have an amazing topic to discuss, the incredible benefits of onions. Introduction of onion. Onions are edible bulb vegetables belonging to the allium genus, which also includes garlic, leeks, and chives. They are widely cultivated and consumed worldwide for their distinct flavor and culinary versatility. Onions come in various colors, including white, yellow, and red, each offering a slightly different taste. The characteristic pungency of onions is attributed to sulfur compounds released when the bulb cells are damaged, leading to tears while cutting. Apart from their culinary uses, onions have been appreciated for their potential health benefits. They contain essential nutrients, antioxidants, and compounds that may contribute to various health advantages, such as anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Onions play a crucial role in diverse cuisines, serving as a key ingredient in salads, soups, stews, and various cooked dishes. Whether enjoyed raw or cooked, onions add depth and complexity to a wide range of recipes. Types of onion. There are several types of onions, each with its own distinctive flavor, color, and best culinary use. Here are some common types of onions. 1. Yellow onions. These are the most widely used onions with a strong flavor and are suitable for various cooking methods. They have a brown papery skin and are often the go-to for recipes that call for sautéed or caramelized onions. 2. White onions. White onions have a milder flavor compared to yellow onions and are commonly used in Mexican cuisine. They have a white papery skin and a crisp texture. They work well in salads, salsas, and dishes where a milder onion flavor is desired. 3. Red onions. Characterized by their deep purple-red skin, red onions have a mild to sweet flavor. They are often used raw in salads, sandwiches, and garnishes due to their vibrant color and milder taste. 4. Sweet onions. Varieties like Vidalia, Walla Walla, and Maui fall into this category. Sweet onions have a high sugar content, resulting in a mild and sweet flavor. They are delicious when eaten raw, such as in salads or on sandwiches. 5. Shallots. Although technically a separate species, shallots are often categorized with onions. They have a milder and sweeter taste compared to onions and are commonly used in French cuisine. Shallots work well in dressings, sauces, and dishes where a subtle onion flavor is desired. 6. Green onions, scallions. These have long, slender green stalks and small white bulbs. They have a mild flavor and are often used as a garnish in salads, soups, and Asian dishes. 7. Spring onions. Similar to green onions, spring onions have a larger bulb and a stronger flavor. They are often used in the same way as green onions but can also be cooked in various dishes. These are just a few examples, and there are many regional and specialty varieties of onions with unique characteristics. The choice of onion depends on the specific flavor profile you're looking for in your dishes. Ingredients of onion. The composition of an onion includes a variety of nutrients, antioxidants, and compounds that contribute to its distinct flavor and potential health benefits. Here are the main components found in onions. 1. Water. Onions have a high water content, contributing to their juiciness and crispness. 2. Carbohydrates. Onions contain carbohydrates, primarily in the form of sugars and dietary fiber. The sugars give onions their natural sweetness, while fiber supports digestive health. 3. Protein. While not a significant source of protein, onions do contain some amino acids. 4. Dietary fiber. Onions provide dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. 5. Vitamins. Onions are a good source of various vitamins, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, and folate, vitamin B9. 6. Minerals. Onions contain minerals such as potassium, manganese, and trace amounts of other minerals. 7. Antioxidants. Onions contain various antioxidants, including quercetin and sulfur compounds. These antioxidants may help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. 8. Flavonoids. Quercetin, a type of flavonoid, is abundant in onions and has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 9. Sulfur compounds. Sulfur compounds are responsible for the distinctive aroma and flavor of onions. Allicin, one of these compounds, is known for its potential health benefits. 10. Phytochemicals. Onions contain phytochemicals, which are naturally occurring compounds that may have health-promoting effects. It's worth noting that the specific nutrient composition can vary slightly depending on the type of onion, e.g., yellow, white, red, and its growing conditions. Consuming a variety of vegetables, including onions, as part of a balanced diet contributes to overall health and well-being. Benefits of onion. Onions offer a range of health benefits due to their nutrient content, antioxidants, and various bioactive compounds. Here are some potential health benefits of onions. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Onions contain antioxidants, such as quercetin, that help neutralize free radicals in the body. Antioxidants play a role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. 2. Heart health. Onions may contribute to heart health by lowering blood pressure and reducing levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. The sulfur compounds in onions may have cardiovascular benefits. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Quercetin, a flavonoid found in onions, has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. 4. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the compounds in onions, particularly organosulfur compounds, may have protective effects against certain types of cancer, including colorectal and gastric cancers. 5. Immune system support. The high vitamin C content in onions can boost the immune system and help the body fight off infections and illnesses. 6. Digestive health. Onions contain dietary fiber, which supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. 7. Blood sugar regulation. Some research indicates that onions may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes. 8. Respiratory health. The sulfur compounds in onions may have antibacterial and antiviral properties, which could be beneficial for respiratory health and help alleviate symptoms of common colds and respiratory infections. 9. Bone health. Onions contain minerals like calcium and potassium, which are important for maintaining bone health. 10. Hair and skin benefits. The sulfur content in onions is thought to promote healthy hair and skin. Applying onion juice topically is believed by some to support hair growth and improve skin conditions. It's essential to note that while onions offer various health benefits, individual responses may vary. Including a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet, including onions, is part of a balanced and nutritious approach to promoting overall health and well-being. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting content. And as always, stay happy and healthy. Until next time.